Owl, you ready for some flexi fun this fall? Today, we're diving into the cutest, most flexible owls you can 3D print this season. First up, we have the autumn hoot. This little guy is not just adorable, but super bendy, perfect for desk buddies or fun gifts. Next, meet the pumpkin spice flapper. With its vibrant colors and smooth joints, it's the perfect seasonal centerpiece. Finally, check out the cozy night owl. Its glow-in-the-dark filament gives it that extra magic for those long fall nights. Whether you're a seasoned printer or just starting out, these Flexi Owls are a must-try. So grab your filament, fire up your printer, and get ready to fall in love with these fantastic Flexi Owls. Happy printing, folks!